In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import budgets in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download the budget template, fill it out correctly, and upload it back into QuickBooks without running into errors. Let's start by grabbing the template from QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, go to the Settings icon, then choose Budgeting. This is where QuickBooks manages all of your budget tools. At the top, open the Create New dropdown and select Import Budget. QuickBooks will first ask you which fiscal year you want to create the budget for, so choose the correct year before moving on. Next, you'll pick your budget format. If you want a simple company-wide budget, choose the consolidated option. If you track things like classes, customers, or locations and want a more detailed budget broken out by those, choose the subdivided option. Once you've selected the year and format, click Next. QuickBooks will generate an Excel template for you. Look for the P&L budget template link, select it, and download the file. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated accounting folder. Now, open the Excel template you just downloaded. You'll see your accounts listed, along with monthly columns across the top. Go through and enter your budget amounts for each account in the appropriate months. Take your time here and make sure the numbers reflect how you plan to spend or earn money throughout the year. It's very important that you do not add, delete, or move any rows or columns in this file. Changing the layout will cause the import to fail when you bring it back into QuickBooks. You can update values, but keep the structure exactly as it is. When you're finished entering your amounts, save the file with a new name so you can easily recognize it later, and make sure it stays in the .xlsx format. Also, keep the file size under 10 megabytes. When your template is ready, go back into QuickBooks Online, to Settings, then Budgeting. Again, choose Import Budget. Select the same time period and format you chose earlier so everything matches. If QuickBooks prompts you with any extra options, choose Skip, then select Upload Budget and browse for the file you just saved. After the file uploads, click Next, then View Budget. Take a moment to carefully review the imported numbers. Make sure the amounts and months are correct and that the totals look right. When everything checks out, choose Save or Save and Close, and your budget is now imported into QuickBooks Online.